Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled at the edge of a vast forest, there lived a young squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known throughout the village for his boundless energy and his love for exploring every nook and cranny of the forest. One sunny morning, as Sammy scampered among the trees, he stumbled upon a shimmering acorn lying on the forest floor. It was unlike any acorn he had ever seen before, with a golden hue that sparkled in the sunlight. Curious and excited, Sammy picked up the acorn and held it in his tiny paws. Suddenly, a voice whispered from within the acorn, "Hello, young squirrel. I am the magic acorn, and I have chosen you for a special adventure." Sammy's eyes widened in astonishment. An adventure? What kind of adventure? The kind that only the bravest and kindest of squirrels can undertake, replied the magic acorn. You see, deep within the heart of the forest lies a hidden grove where the most precious treasure of all awaits. But to reach it, you must overcome challenges and help those in need along the way. Excited by the prospect of an adventure, Sammy eagerly accepted the magic acorn's challenge. With the acorn tucked safely in his pouch, he set off into the depths of the forest, his heart pounding with anticipation. As Sammy journeyed deeper into the forest, he encountered all sorts of creatures in need of help. He rescued a family of mice from a hungry owl, guided a lost butterfly back to its home, and even helped a clumsy hedgehog find its way out of a thorny bush. With each act of kindness, the magic acorn glowed brighter and brighter, filling Sammy with a sense of warmth and joy. Finally, after many twists and turns, Sammy arrived at the hidden grove. There, nestled among the ancient trees, was a majestic oak tree with branches that reached up to the sky. And at the foot of the tree lay the most precious treasure of all, a golden chest filled with acorns of every color, each one containing a tiny spark of magic. As Sammy gazed upon the treasure, he realized that the true magic lay not in the acorns themselves, but in the kindness and courage that had guided him on his journey. With a grateful heart, Sammy returned to the village, where he shared his tale of adventure with all who would listen. And though he may have been a hero in the eyes of the villagers, Sammy knew that the real hero was the magic acorn, whose gift of kindness had transformed his ordinary day into an extraordinary adventure. And so, nestled safely in his burrow, Sammy fell asleep with a smile on his face, dreaming of the next adventure that awaited him in the magical forest.